Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Pritesh Patel, Medical and Scientific Head at Nestle Health Science. I welcome you all to attend our webinar on renal nutrition, a paradigm of endless possibilities in improving quality of life in patients suffering from chronic kidney diseases. Chronic kidney disease often imposes a multidimensional challenge not only to the individuals who undergo the process, but also to the healthcare fraternity who deliver their best with an objective of improving the quality of life of the individuals undergoing the journey. Nutrition interventional is an integral part of chronic kidney disease management and a key vector towards an improved quality of life. Nutrition is also the fulcrum which can break the vicious cycle of malnutrition, infection, and atherosclerosis. Please register for the webinar to know more from the experts. Thank you.